Godrej Properties is coming up with its new township, and not just a township but a British themed township now in Kadagrahara, Sarjapur East, Bangalore. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. This is your host Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Godrej Sarjapur. And right now we are here near to the land parcel. So just behind me you can have a look on the main entrance. So the main entrance will be coming up over here and the land parcel starts from here. So the marketing office will be ready inside very soon. Now, in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. But before starting the video, let me introduce you all with Housey. So, Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this township is spread across 40 acres of land parcel, developed in multiple phases, where they are launching with phase 1 for now in 8 acres, with 2 iconic towers rising from 3 basement ground plus 33 floors, offering you 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, and our project is located bang on Kadagrahara main road in Sarjapur East, Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project, and this will be the main entrance. Now this is the Kadagrahara main road. So this road will connect you towards Chandapura, Domasandra main road, and the opposite side road will take you towards Sompura. Now we'll be discussing about the further connectivity. So you can connect to Head Start Educational Academy in just 2.3 kilometers away. Sarjapur D-Mart is 3.6 kilometers and Sarjapur Circle is 4.2 kilometers from our project. Coming to the amenities part, and this project offers you world-class amenities like of viewing deck, sensory garden, kids play area, amphitheater, grand clubhouse and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the super built up area. So as mentioned in phase 1, you'll be getting 2 and 3 BHK premium residencies where 2 BHKs of 1200 square feet super built up area, 3 BHK starting from 1500 to 1800 square feet super built up area. Now about the booking process, and currently our project is in pre-launch stage. So our EOI window is open now and we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Godrej Sarjapur by Godrej Properties located in Kadagrahara, Sarjapur East, Bangalore. So if you're looking for more details of the project, you can click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.